She's already set to do anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on! Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just... Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Ooh, that was close. Oh, you found my missing streaks. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Fire's got a kick.
Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Bitsy.